3 rock fills, levels 1 to 3, because 1 just is not enough. And I'm on YouTube, so I can talk for as long as I want. But don't worry, I shan't fart about. Let's get into it. Fill 1. 3, 4. Panic not. We're not going to go that quickly. This is kind of a bit of a classic with a bit of a twist, because it's just 16th notes. 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a. But we're going to put an accent not only on the 1, but also on the So it's going to be right, left. 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a. Put a bass drum with the 1. 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a. If you get lost because you're putting an accent on the left, it's not an uncommon thing, make sure you count out loud. 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and. Once that's comfortable, 1, a 2, a 3, a 4. Practice that with some groove first. But then you're going to move that right hand around wherever you like. You can go around the toms if you've got enough of them. You can just go between the high and the low, whatever you got, basically. And you can do that for the whole bar if you like. But we're going to vary it up a little bit in beat 4, and we're just going to play 1 and a. So that's right, left, again with a kick on the pulse. It stays through the whole thing. So we end up with 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 and a. Very nice, same thing again. Start on snare. It doesn't really matter where you put those rhythms, as long as the right hand is the one moving and the left hand stays on the snare, you'll get a generally consistent sound across the board. Also, it'll be very tempting as you're speeding up to play everything just loud, so make sure that the notes that aren't accents on the snare drum stay nice and low. Either way, there it is, number 1. PS from me, I know I said don't move your left hand, but if you're slightly more advanced, definitely do move the left hand because it sounds gnarly as hell. Moving on, fill 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. On paper, this second fill is actually easier than you might think. However, it is quite technically difficult. Right kick, kick left as 16th notes. 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a. Kind of building on the thing we were doing just a moment ago, except now we're replacing those quiet notes with bass drums. We're going to need a lot of foot control in here. So we'll start with the first right on the snare drum. Right, kick, kick, and then we're over to the tom. So right, kick, kick, left, right, kick, kick, left, right, kick, kick. That last left that happens on the of 4 will be a snare drum. So you kind of get this like looping figure. Right, 3, 4, a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4. You can see where this is going. You can do that however long you want, and you can move it all around the toms. Just make sure you're really comfortable with that figure first. Try it with a 16th note metronome that yells at you 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, because it will help sharpen everything up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Kind of dead simple, kind of not. Kind of love it. If you want to see the actual notation for everything I'm playing in this video, check out the free ebook that will come with it in the description below. It will have not only the fills we're playing, but also some variations on them as well, so check it out. Right, fill number 3. Let's get this over with. Woo! Nice. We are going to break this one down beat by beat just for simplicity's sake. First beat, dead simple. Crash, left, left, single strokes, 16th notes. 1 E and a. And we're going to accent the right on 2. 1 E and a 2. Crashes with a bass drum on the E and a of beat 2. So 1 E and a 2 E a. Those are going to fall on the left because when we play single strokes, your E's and A's will always fall on your left. 1 E and a 2 E a. You might also want to cheat if your timing isn't as good and play a little ghosty on the and, but let's be professional about this. Let's say no, don't do that. Except if you really want to, it's free country, do what you like. Now beat 3 is where we divulge from the single stroke pattern and we go for E and left, right, right. Accent, nice rim shot on the left. 3 E and 3 E and 3 E and 3 E and It will feel more natural coming out of beat 2 because we're doing a lot of offbeat left, and it will just feel natural to go for a left again on the snare. So let's get up to beat 4. There, Beat 4 is another rim shot. Nice and loud on the snare drum. And then we go for a crash on E, 4 E. And then lastly, a snare drum on the of 4. And then go for another crash on what will now be 1. Ready for whatever groove you were playing before. So just beat 4 would be 4 E, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 E, 1. And in terms of what cymbals I'm hitting, do whatever feels most comfortable for you, because sometimes it depends on your setup, depends what you've got going on. So as long as you're hitting a cymbal, that's all that really matters. So sticking it all together very slowly. 1 E and 2 E and 4 E, 1. 2. Lots of noises, lots of phonetics, but take it real slow, use a metronome, and all will be well. 1, 2, 3, 4. And there you go, 3 rock fills. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to check out more videos just like this one, then check out this channel, because by God, there's a lot of drumming videos on here now. And we're doing quite well, I think. I also just want to say a massive thank you to everyone. We just passed 100,000 subscribers. In fact, we're now like 115, but my play button is on the way. All right, are we ready? Are we steady? Oh. No, it is felt on top and a piece of paper. It says love. Ooh, shiny. Hey, I don't know where to put it. Because it needs to be in the videos. But I want to look at it. Like all the time. That's it, big up. The climax has occurred. And Emma doesn't know what to say. Thank you guys so much. If you have any suggestions for what you'd like to see in these videos, obviously leave them below. And if you don't want to, that's fine. And if you do, even better. Either way, have a fantastic day, and I will see you in the next video. Mwah!